Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course, Ethernet Operation and Switch Configuration. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building and managing enterprise networks and teaching people about them. In this course, we will focus our attention on Ethernet and Ethernet switching. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include examining twisted pair Category 5 and Category 6 cables, as well as single mode and multi-mode fiber optics, which we use in Ethernet communications. We will learn what a collision domain is and how it relates to Ethernet, and we're going to dissect the contents of an Ethernet frame header and examine how we check that frame for integrity. We're also going to take a look at the operation of a Cisco Ethernet switch and then configure a 2960 switch from scratch. By the end of this course, you will have an in-depth understanding of Ethernet, how to configure a Cisco switch, and how to use the MAC address table to determine the port number a device is connected. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Ethernet with the Ethernet Operation and Switch Configuration course at Pluralsight.